welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are all doing well, and to everyone, Ramadan Mubarak. And today I came up with this pink makeup look right here. I really like this makeup, how this turned out, and I hope that you all are going to enjoy this look. So to all my pink lover, let's start the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply a concealer to my eyelid, and this will act like an eyeshadow base for my eye makeup, and it will help my eye makeup look last more longer. And I'm going to blend it out with a sponge, and this is a damp sponge. So for today's eye makeup, I chose to apply, rather than eyeshadow, a liquid lipstick. So here I'm using a bright pink color liquid lipstick to my outer and inner corner, and I'm going to blend this out really fast because liquid lipstick are drying too quickly, so you have to work really fast. So I'm applying this liquid lipstick on my eyelid, and then I'm going to blend this lipstick with a brush. And be careful, again I'm telling you, be careful if you're using any kind of liquid lipstick. You have to work really fast. And now I'm going to add a pink color shadow to blend my eye look a little bit more nicely and softly. So now I'm going to apply the same concealer just a little bit to the center part of my eye, so it will give me a nice base for my next eyeshadow. You don't need to be very precise or clean. You just apply a tiny little bit of concealer so that you get a nice base. Now the most gorgeous part, I'm applying this Makeup Revelation fall shadow, and I'm applying it with my it's in the shade, I guess, rose gold, and I'm applying it with my finger, and it will give you the more gorgeous look if you apply it with finger. But I feel a little bit difficulty to blend with my finger, so I replace with a brush, a smaller brush, and I'm going to apply this same shadow and blend both sides. And that's finished almost my eyeshadow. How easy that look is, And now I'm going to do a regular, not very fancy wing, just a regular wing liner. And then I'm going to apply some false lash and some mascara, and yeah, that's it. It's so easy, guys, and anyone can do it. So now comes the base makeup, and first thing first, I'm applying a moisturizer. This is the Neutrogena Hydra Boost moisturizer. This stuff is really good if you have oily skin, so don't skip your moisturizer, girls. And I'm blending my moisturizer to my face, and after that I'm going to apply a primer so that my makeup will last whole day. So now the step I'm doing, it's really important for me, and this is the LA Girl concealer in the shade orange, and I use it as a color corrector. If you don't have dark circle problem or any pigmentation problem, you can totally skip that part, but I have some dark spots on my face and around my mouth area, so I have to use a color corrector. So here I'm using it and I'm blending it out with the same sponge. So if you are using a color corrector, this step is important. So to set your concealer, the corrector, you need to apply just a tiny bit of any translucent or colorless powder, just a tiny bit, just to set those corrector on your face so that it doesn't blend out with your foundation, you know. So you just need a tiny bit powder to set your concealer first, and then you're good to go to apply your foundation. And for foundation today, I'm using my recent favorite. This is the Maybelline one, and I did a full review video on about this foundation, so I will link up the video link on the description box down below or anywhere in up, so you can check that out. Ooh la la, see how gorgeous this foundation is. I love this foundation. To apply a concealer, this is 3 shades lighter than my actual skin color, and I'm applying it on under my eye area, bridge of my nose, little bit on my forehead, and just a little bit around my mouth area. And this will help me to look a little bit more highlighted on the center part of my face. And as usual, I'm going to blend this out with my damp sponge. And now I'm going to do a extra strip as it is Eid makeup. So now I'm going to do a cream contouring, and this concealer is actually 2 shades darker than my actual skin color. And I'm going to apply this concealer the outer part of my face, and this will help me to look my face a little bit more slimmer, I guess. Actually, it will make some shadow, and that will help you to look a little bit more slim. You know, Eid makeup, so we can be a little bit extra, right? And to set my highlighter zone, highlighted area, I'm going to use this Sacha Buttercup powder. This is my favorite powder. I love this one. So this stuff, sorry, what I'm saying, I don't know. I'm too bad in explaining things and talking. I don't know why I am like that. So anyway, I'm applying this powder to my face, and now it's time for eye makeup, the lower part eye makeup, and I'm applying the same pink color shadow to my lower lash line. I'm just smudging it out a little bit, and after that I'm going to apply a mascara, and that's it. That's finish of my eye makeup. See how easy that makeup is. I really love it. And after that I'm going to set my cream contour with a powder contour. So yeah, I'm using this two shade to contour my face. Actually I will apply it in the area I applied the cream contour. So I'm applying a highlighter on my face. Actually I did a little bit too much this time. In a person or in regular use I don't use that much highlighter, and if you are oily skin, don't use that much highlighter. I was too much extra this time. See how much highlighter I apply. You don't need to be apply that much highlighter. Honestly, you don't need to be. And now I'm going to apply a pinky blush, as it is a pink makeup look, so pink blush is necessary. And after that I'm applying a lip liner to line my lips and finishing off my makeup by applying a brown nude color lipstick. And that's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this look as much as I do.